is Tara with Mann Lake, and I'm here to talk to you about our October beekeepers buzz in the northern climates. Today we're going to talk about a couple things. First we're going to get started with the temperatures dropping, you're going to want to remove your liquid feed. Once you remove that liquid feed, you're going to want to replace it with another carbohydrate. What we recommend is our pro-winter patties, which you can just take out of the bucket, put on some wax paper, and lay on the top of your frames in your hive. So now that we've got the feed taken care of, we want to do a couple other things. You're going to want to remove your entrance reducer and take it away from the large opening and change it to the smaller opening to protect your hive from the winter months and potential robbing. So once you have that in there, you set it up and have your smaller entrance. You're going to want to then take your mouse guard and put it in place, and you can simply nail it, tack it, screw it in place, and you can just take some little tacks, push it right in there. Take your other one, there's two little holes, and you can push it right in there. So now your hive is both fed and protected going into the winter months. Thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe below. And if you have any questions, feel free to call us, or you can check out our website and use the new chat, Bella the Beekeeping Assistant.